Yo, what's up guys, it's Cameraman from Cameraman Studio, and today I have your Bandai R3 or the Real Robot Revolution model kit here. 148 scale Layzner from the SPT Layzner Mecha anime. And let's go with the articulation of this kit. This is a blue kit, by the way. So the head can rotate like this, and it cannot rotate 360 degrees. And there's this canopy here where you can open the head like that, and you can see the pilot figure there. So it has a very nice cockpit in the head. Should be having the sticker or the water slide decals for those computer panels, but I didn't apply it. So be careful when opening the cockpit here because it's a bit fragile there, and also be careful with this V-fins or antenna spikes on the left side of the head, since these are all fragile. Then the arms or the shoulder can move up like this, but it's very limited due to the structure here, and it can raise up to this far like that, no more further, and it can rotate 360 degrees like that. Okay, it's a bit stiff. Then the elbow can bend up to this far, and the hands are on ball joint, and this has a unique hand where it has knuckles here. This is lightning knuckles, I think. I forgot how to call it. Malish. And there we got this old style master grade hands. This is same with the Bandai Gundam model kits. So pareho lang ng mga Bandai model kits. Same Haga Gundam model kits. So we got here the gun or the rifle. So the rifle here can be hold either hands, you like left or right hands, but I prefer this to be on the right hand because it has a handle here for the left hand, the support handle. By the way, it has a peg there where you can put the peg for the gun there, and can be mahawakan ng maayos ng kanang kamay. Yung kanyang balakang ay kayang umikot ng ganito, pero hindi siya buong makaikot dahil dito sa mga nakakasagabal na struktura dito sa kanyang likuran. Ito yung sa mga booster. Ayan. Okay. Yung kanyang side skirt, tagilirang palda niya ay nakakaangat ng ganito. Yung pangharap na palda niya ay umaangat lamang ng ganyan. Tapos dito sa likod, yung panlikod na palda niya ay umaangat din ng ganun. Tapos thigh part, medyo mahigpit. Napakaputang yun ng mahigpit dito sa may waist niya. So ang hirap niyang i-twist dito. Actually nakakatakot nga siyang i-bend or i-rotate, paikutin, kasi baka maputol yung peg. Ayan, medyo mahigpit siya. Ayan, hindi ko na masyadong pupwersahin. Sobrang higpit. Ito rin yung mga reklamo ng ibang nagre-review nito. Mahigpit yung kanyang waist connector. Anyway, dun na lang tayo muna sa tuhod. Kayang tumupi yung tuhod niya ng ganyan. Okay, so laki ng kanyang structure sa paa talaga. Okay. Tapos, hindi siya double jointed bend. Actually, double jointed, I mean. Ayan. So, magbe-bend dito, magbe-bend din doon. Ayan. Kanyang paa ay malaki. Mas malaki pa kaysa sa Gundam. Ayan. Pero, pwede siyang mag plantar extend and plantar flex. Tapos ito yung armor sa kanyang paa ay pwedeng tumupi-tupi pa taas o pababa. Tapos yung paa niya hindi pwedeng tumupi direkta. Ganyan lang siya, blocky feet lang. Ito lang sa may hinge yung pwedeng gumalaw. Pwedeng mag-move sidewards, left and right like that. Tapos may mga booster siya dito. Yung mga booster ay pwedeng mag-open like that. Ito yata yung pag sa Blue Comet, Blue Comet mode. Ayan, mag-open yung mga parts na yan. So parang kumbaga sa hyper mode sa Gundam. So Blue Comet mode, ayan, mag-open yung mga hatches yan. So dito sa waist niya, ay sa torso niya, marami siyang boosters. So meaning mabilis tong kit na to. Mabilis ang kanyang mobility. So merong mga boosters niyan sa chest. May boosters dito. May boosters dito. Tsaka dito. Ito, cute yung booster dito. Gumagalaw-galaw na ganun. Ito rin, yung parang wings niya. Binders niya. Yan. Tapos dito, meron siyang missiles. May missile siya sa likod ng kanyang binte. And medyo mahirap tanggalin to eh. Pero subukan natin alisin. Okay. Yep, ang tahirap tanggalin. Paano ba tatanggalin itong buwisit na to? Ayun. Oops. Sira ko yata. Wait lang. Okay, so ayan. Yung sa likod ng binti niya, meron siyang missile. Kakaiba yung missile na ito eh. Tapos, bubuksan yung wings niyan. Yun. Tapos, titira siya. Dun sa anime, parang ito yung nilaunch niya dito. Sheer! Gumanon siya. Gumanon. So, ano siya? Leg missiles. Ang galing nga, Steve. Ang ganda ng concept. And ayan, sa mga nagustuhan kong kit ito ng Bandai, since this is a real robot revolution design. So maraming klase ito. Meron dun sa heavy metal L-Gaim, tsaka yung sa Walker Gallia ng sa Bungdo. And I hope magkaroon pa ng maraming real robot design someday. Actually, tatlo lang yung nito eh. Tatlo lang ata yung model na may real robot design ng Bandai. So mga 1/100 scale kit ito. Kasi laki ng Gundam. Except this one, this is 1/48 scale. Yung mga 1/100 is yung L-Gaim and Walker Gallia. So ang ganda, gusto ko itsura nito. Especially it has a articulated hands like this. Even though old school yung articulated hands niya, I still like it. The rifle can be placed here, by the way, dito sa may slot na to, but I prefer that this guy here is holding his rifle kasi maanga siya tingnan. Okay. Size comparison, master grade model Gundam. And this one, mga 18 centimeters na Gundam model kit. So this is your RX-7885 and a gram type. So mas matangkad siya compared to your regular master grade kit. But actually, this one is very small. Kung we're going to make it like 100 scale, siguro hanggang dito lang sila talaga. Because this is 1/48 scale kit. So, mas matangkad siya. Pero 1/100, maliit lang siya. And let's compare it with Z-Gok here. And still, he's taller than your Z-Gok. Okay. So, thank you so much for watching this Bandai R3 review. And this Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. Goodbye.